So what is rational inequality? A rational inequality is an equality which involves one or more rational expressions. A rational inequality can be written in one of the following standard forms. So here we have problem 1 and problem 2. So let's start with problem 1.
First, let us set our numerator and our denominator equal to 0. Here we have x positive 5 transposed become negative 5, and x negative 8 transposed, it becomes our positive 8. And now let us draw a line where we put our numerator, which is negative 5, and our denominator positive 8. And let us not forget to write a negative infinity and a positive infinity. Before we proceed, I want you to understand that if our sign is greater than or less than or equal to, our sign should be shaded.
And that means it is included.
And if we encounter the sign that is greater or less than, our sign should be open.
And that means it is not included.
So since the inequalities is greater than or equal to 0, all numbers in the numerator should be included and all numbers in the denominator is not included. So in order for us to know the outcome, first we need to check the number from 8 to positive infinity. So 9 plus 5 equals to positive 14 and 9 minus 8 is equals to positive 1. So let us focus on the positive sign. So positive divided by positive equals to positive outcome. Since the inequalities is greater than or equal to 0, the numbers that we must get must have a positive outcome. So here we have negative infinity and negative 5 that are included, union, positive 8, and positive infinity. And that's our final answer.
So here's another example. X minus 4 and x plus 5 over x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0 becomes x equals 4. And x plus 5 is equal to 0 becomes x is equal to negative 5. X plus 2 is equal to 0 also becomes x is equal to. So let's draw a line where we'll put the number 4, negative 5, and negative 2. So as you can see, our sign is less than or equal to 0, which makes our numerator included and our denominator. So as shown in the example number 1, we need to do a checking whether the number 4 to positive infinity has a positive or negative outcome. So as you can see, the number 4 to positive infinity has a positive outcome. So since our sign is less than or equal to 0, we'll be needing those numbers that has a negative outcome, which is the negative infinity and negative 5, union, negative 2, and 4. And that is our answer.